So guys, you know what this is called? It's called sublimation. It's one of the things in the world that changes, right? From solid to gas. And you know what? Snow will do this too, guys. Give it a shot. And you might see it's the best thing that's ever happened. Of course you're a little afraid. But just get it, man. It's just like pictures are just like.
Don't say just like Johnson's.
Oh, no, I got lots of times. Actually, yeah. Look at it like it.
Wait, could you light up the thing?
The match?
Yeah.
Here you
What are you doing with this?
Oh,
go. You gonna do it?
I thought.
Oh, you're taking a
I'm-
picture?
No, recording.
Oh, okay. I was gonna let you do it.
What are you doing with this?
It'll put this out too. With what? Tie it.
There.
Watch. What's this stuff turn into? It never melts. Turns straight into a gas from a solid. Well, it could be. Here, Laura, watch this one. You can film this too. The balloon's getting bigger and bigger and bigger
Oh,
as we speak.
Is it gonna pop?
It will. So there's lots of.
my one put on the other table.
Well, yeah, it won't pop for a long time. You'll see when it's getting ready to pop. So-
You put water in there?
No. Dry ice.
Oh,
And the dry ice is turning into a gas and putting up the balloon. This thing goes forever. That's more dry ice. Get one more piece, I gotta use it. Alejandro, the star fell off your